Hi, here's a real quick how-to on how to update the Lesson Activity Toolkit in Smart Notebook 10. I know their videos are out there before, but in essence, go to your Gallery tab, and in the upper right-hand corner of your Gallery tab is Show Additional Gallery Actions. By clicking on that one, it brings up another menu where I can check for updates. Here I can check updates for Lesson Activity Toolkit or Gallery Essentials. If you're still using Lesson Activity Toolkit 1, you can click Lesson Activity Toolkit, and what it's going to do is it's going to run through a set of options to show you that there's an update. I currently am using Toolkit 2, so I don't have anything, and look over here, there are no changes that would be made. Typically, if you're still using Lesson Toolkit 1, it'll show Lesson Activity Toolkit 2 checked, and then they'll show you that there's something here to update, and I would just click Next to go ahead and make that update. Hope that helps.